Danger from Nash FM 97.3. Welcome back once again for a virtual summer nights.
Well, this is really pretty exciting, and I've got my wife with me here, and we're kind of considering this is a little bit of a family cruise. We got our granddaughter here with us, and we're going to do a little cruise of our own.
It was better than showroom condition. His hands, after he had got on the transport, was the only ones that had been on the car other than to change oil at 500 miles.
Well, you know, there's not too many of them that get my heart pumping. That one does. What a beautiful car.
Given it a pretty good overhaul. We're going to put a Sniper fuel injection system in it. So I've got coilover on the front and the back, new brake system all the way around. Going to get new wheels, new exhaust.
I bought that in 1975. $900 and only 31,000 miles on it.
Air conditioning, brakes, exhaust.
The radiator had to be refit. It didn't fit right. And just anything they found, it was just go do it.